got our front SuperSteer radius rods, rear SuperSteer track bar, Safety Plus steering stabilizer, Roadmaster rear auxiliary anti-sway bar, and Koni Evo front and rear shocks. You guys are going to have 1 hour to install all of this.
Go!
Having Tommy and Robert Henderson of Henderson lineup there supervising every single nut and bolt and step that happened helped calm our nerves.
I was a weak link again.
On the backside, go all the way up to the back.